Unfortunately, GoPro cut off last 5 minutes of my video. Maybe due to overheating. I am not 100% sure. So I will continue this journey. Let's record one more. I might have to intervene halfway through, as it will most likely try to take me on a dirt road, which we want to try to avoid. So I'm gonna probably take over at some instances, and FSD on. Now he will try to take a right at the roundabout. We have to go straight. So let's see if we can cancel it via signals. And we have to take over, make it go straight, and let it take over again. I wish I could tell navigation to avoid dirt roads. I have not seen that on any navigation system, Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Tesla's. We are approaching sharp intersection. It's a little bit tricky, but let's see. It's a tricky intersection. It's very blind because of the trees and snow. So it stops, waited for the green light, even though it could have probably turned on the red. We have about 3-minute ride to our next stop. Very smooth driving. We are coming up on some big curves, so let's see how he handles those. And there's a Rivian Amazon van. Slow down nicely. It is doing great. Roads are not as slippery here. So, doing perfect. We are approaching our destination, so we will take over the steering and continue. There you go. That's it for today. Consider subscribing to see new and interesting routes. Until the next time.